The top 5 shoes under $100, and we've got a shoe for every single scenario. So the first part of the video will be for everyday shoes, ones that are the most comfortable, of course have to look good, and you can use them for pretty much everything, just the all-round everyday shoes. Then we'll go on to going out shoes, so a little bit higher end shoes. You want to really look good, shoes with really nice leathers, and just slightly more elevated shoes. And then we're going to go over statement shoes and gym shoes. Every single shoe from this video will be second page of the sheet, top link of the description. Let's get into it. Listen, I have thousands of shoes, and we're going to start off with my current favorite everyday shoes, and it's got to go to Asics. Asics are absolutely killing it, in specific the NYCs and the Kayanos. In my opinion, the Kayanos are just slightly more comfortable, but the NYCs are a little bit more popular, and I think they look a little bit better with more outfits. There's been a bunch of new batch updates to these shoes, new colorways added, and oh my god, there are some fucking gas colorways. I honestly just use the Kayanos for walking in and just like everyday use. I haven't tested them in the gym, so if you've used them in the gym, please let me know. And the NYCs, similar thing as well, walking and just everyday use. You can pick a very good pair up for $20 to $30. I cannot recommend this shoe enough. The materials they use are so good all over. I'm so glad we've switched out of like the super hypebeasty era and we've actually gone to more functional shoes and affordable shoes, and this is a perfect example. Asics are killing it. Cannot recommend these shoes enough. So next, what are my going out shoes? Well, it's between two things. I either go for a boot, which will be for a separate video, or the ones I've been going to right now are the new updated Rick Vans. Now, I've had a bunch of these in the past. I've had the original ones, which are super uncomfortable. Got the new batch here, it's around $55. I've got next to no complaints. They fixed how uncomfortable they are. This silhouette is a lot more wearable. It goes with any fit. You can wear them with long pants or short pants. Bunch of different colorways, pink, browns, greens, really good leathers all over. If you're looking for an affordable leather shoe, this is one you want to go with. They look good beat as well, so the longevity in this shoe is priceless. For the price of $55, you're getting a lifetime shoe. I wear these daily. So I've created a store for room decor for the main reason a lot of these items are extremely expensive to ship. Top link in the description, you can pick this guy up here for around $100, $10 ship. If you view that, order this guy, we'll get a free metal Yu-Gi-Oh card. So next we're going to get into the gym shoes. Now this is going to be a little bit controversial. I'm going to give 3 options. I know I said 5 shoes, but these are my 3 go-tos. Now we'll start off with the most basic one, and that is the New Balance 1960s. These are everywhere. In my opinion, I would stray away from them. If you're looking for the most affordable gym shoe for balance and grip, these New Balance are your go-to. You'll see them everywhere in the gym. If you want to be different, absolutely don't buy this shoe. It is everywhere. You'll look like a clone, especially that gray on black colorway. Every day I go to the gym, I'll see 10 of them minimum, and the girls will be in like some cream colorway. If you want to be slightly different, here's another shoe. It's the one I've got on right now, the 3XL. It's a similar looking shoe to the New Balance 1960s. I think it looks better. I'm a Balenci fiend, so I'm a little bit biased here. They've got a bunch of brand new colorways. It's around that $70 price range, so a little bit more pricey. But if you go VG batch or any of the top tier batches, you're getting a near perfect shoe. It's a little bit different. Like, you don't see these in the gym ever. Well, at least where I'm from. This is my most worn shoe over the last year. You've got the stamp of approval. I promise you it will be one of the best shoes you add to your rotation. And they just released a brand new fade colorway. It's got red at the front and then it fades to white. I need those in my collection, and I have about 5 of these that I'll rotate for the gym. I just think good grip and an overall good look with some baggy sweatpants. I wouldn't wear them with shorts. It will make your feet look crazy with shorts. Phenomenal shoe. Cannot recommend it enough. Now we're going to get into the recent pickups that I've got that I'm absolutely loving. Now these are crazy shoes that you would have never seen before. So you've got these boots here, these LV boots. You guys would have seen these on the channel already in a haul video. After getting them in, I have copped every single colorway. I swear by them. Definitely a statement shoe and not everyone's taste. It's just got that beautiful blue suede all over it. I just rock these with a pair of shorts and you can wear them anywhere. Easy to drive in. That's one thing the 3XLs cannot drive in them. I've almost crashed in them because you'll hit the brake and the accelerator at the same time. Balenci shoes are not for driving. Stay away from it. That's a warning. I want to know how many car crashes have been involved because of Balenciaga shoes. I've actually worn them on the pitch. Of course, not like that perfect grip. Good enough though. Overall, man, this shoe surprised me. I saw them. I was not sold on them. They're very crazy, not my style at all. So I think these cost around $65. A very complete shoe that can easily be used in a bunch of different scenarios. This shoe, an easy recommendation for me. Fellas, if you want to see more shoe videos on their channel, make sure to let me know and I'll keep bringing these lists out. Like I said, I get so many shoes in. I think it's very valuable that maybe once or 2 times a month, I'll narrow it down to the absolute best stuff I've got in. Try to give you guys some styling tips as well, because in the haul videos, I don't really have time to style everything, but in these videos, videos, at least I'll be able to narrow them down to the best shoes and how to put them together and scenarios you should wear them with. As always, top link in the description, second page of the sheet, you'll find all of these shoes. The next video will be about boots, so drop a sub if you want to see that. I love each and every single one of you. See you guys in the next one. Peace.